Now I am going to give you the reason why you should make videos like me or like everybody else is doing. First point is it will work as a virtual resume for you. Virtual resume. कहीं भी जा रहे हो, you just show your videos that this is my account. I make videos on that, on this topic and this topic. This will work as a virtual resume for you. ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको किसी भी पेपर वाले रेज्यूमे की. If the guys need it, you can give it, but before that you have your virtual resume. You have a good amount of audience in your account, in your social media app. It will work crazy for you. Like me, right now I have 194 subscribers, so this is my audience. The moment I think something, I just made a video, upload it. At least 100 people can watch it instantly. This is the medium, a quickest way to reach people. That's why you should make videos. That's why you should make people aware of yourself. It is not necessary, like अगर नहीं भी होंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Second point is your camera facing skills will improve. You will not hesitate to talk in front of camera. Believe me, I was very hesitated guy before 10th class. जब कोई घर में गेस्ट आया ना, तो आई वॉज इन माई ओन रूम एंड आई डोंट वांट टू मीट दैम. इतना इंट्रोवर्ट था मैं उस टाइम पे 10th क्लास से पहले. बट ग्रेजुअली आई इम्प्रूव्ड एंड नाउ आई एम जस्ट हियर, नॉट सो ग्रेट, बट आई एम जस्ट हियर. So it will definitely improve your communication skills and your camera facing skills. You should work on it at this time. Open your YouTube account. It is not like it is necessary, but it's for your beneficial. If you are not doing anything, then do that thing. You must do it now. Give your opinions, give your love, share your love with other people, make them happy, and it will work crazy for you. Believe me, it will profound effect you will receive from this one skill. In life, you are something, not nothing. You are something, because in this period everybody is sleeping and eating food and then again going to sleep. Even I am also doing it, but with that I am just working on some skills also. English skills, communication skills, camera facing skills, and just boost up your confidence with clarity. Clarity must be there. If you don't know what you are doing, then it's a negative point for that. But you should have a clarity what you are doing and what you want to present in front of your audience. That's why you should make videos. This is the most fundamental reason you should make. Otherwise, this time will also pass and you will think that I should have made some videos. I should. Don't count this statement in your life. Never, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप ये statement बोलो कि I should have done this before. This is the regression point. You should never utter this through your mouth. If you can relate to this, you can please share with your friends or with your colleagues and anything. If you don't want to share, please don't. But just please do it. This is the time. Please do it. Thank you very much. Keep watching Ritik Jalania.